Advice for ESL students on how to get from intermediate to advanced speaking level. Becoming a fluent speaker is the ultimate goal for every ESL student. Here are some tips to help you get from intermediate to advanced level. The importance of speaking fluently. Build confidence through practice. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in your ability to speak fluently and express yourself. Immerse yourself in the language. Listen to music, watch TV shows and movies in English to get a better understanding of the language and improve your vocabulary. Overcome fear of making mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process and can help you identify areas that you need to work on. Speak with native speakers. Take advantage of opportunities to speak with native English speakers, whether it's in person, online, or through language exchange programs. Mastering grammar and vocabulary. Read widely and often. Reading is a great way to learn new words and grammar structures in context. Choose materials that interest you and challenge you. Use grammar and vocabulary exercises. Practice makes perfect. Find online resources or workbooks that provide practice exercises to help you master grammar and vocabulary. Learn from your mistakes. Don't just correct your mistakes, but learn from them. Identify patterns and work to correct them in your future speaking and writing. Listen actively. Listen to how native speakers use grammar and vocabulary. Try to imitate them when you speak or write to improve your accuracy and fluency. The role of pronunciation and intonation. Practice common phrases and intonation patterns. Pay attention to intonation patterns and practice common phrases to improve your fluency and sound more like a native speaker. Focus on individual sounds. Practice saying individual sounds correctly. Listen to your pronunciation and compare it with the native speakers. Record yourself speaking. Record yourself speaking and compare it with the native speakers. Identify areas where you need to improve and work on them. Listening to native speakers and imitating them. Listen to different accents and dialects. English is spoken in many different accents and dialects. Listen to a variety of speakers to improve your comprehension and speaking ability. Find materials that fit your level. Choose materials that are appropriate for your level, whether it's podcasts, news articles, or TV shows. Practice imitating the accent and intonation. Try to imitate the accent and intonation of the speaker when you listen to material. It will help you develop a better sense of the language. Engaging in conversations with native speakers. Ask open-ended questions. Avoid yes or no questions that provide limited opportunities for conversation. Listen actively. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and respond appropriately. Avoid interrupting or talking over the speaker. Be a good conversationalist. Contribute to the conversation with your own thoughts and ideas. Share your own experiences and opinions. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification or repetition. If you don't understand something, ask the speaker to repeat or clarify what they said. Watching and discussing TV shows and movies. Choose materials that interest you. You'll be more motivated to watch and discuss TV shows and movies if they are related to your interests. Discuss what you watched with others. Talk about the plot, the characters, the themes, and the language with other students or native speakers. It's a great way to practice speaking in a relaxed and informal setting. Pay attention to the language. Take notes on new vocabulary and grammar structures that you hear while watching. Use these notes to improve your own speaking and writing. Practicing consistently and with dedication. Improving your speaking and language skills requires constant practice and dedication. Find a routine that works for you and stick to it.